everyone, so today's question is delete node in a linked list. So we have given this linked list and we have to delete the node 5. So the final output will be 4, 1 and 9. So how can we do this? So for example, we have this list. So if we have to delete 8 at the node 1, we know that this is our node pointer, this is our node next pointer and this is our node value. So if we say that create a temporary pointer called temp and give it a node next value like this, then we say that give the node pointer the value of temp. So we have changed the node pointer and then we are deleting our temp pointer. So basically after 11 now we can only access 9. The address to 8 is gone now. So this means after 11 the next node value will be 9 and the node next pointer will point towards 5. So that's how we deleted 8. So in Python we can also do that we can give that node the value of the next node. That is, we have given 8 the value 9 and then change the next pointer to it to the next pointer. So after 11 we are getting 9 and after 9 we are getting 5. So basically we deleted 8 from the linked list. So I hope this is clear. If you have doubt with linked list, then check out my description box. The video to linked list is coming out soon. So stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.